everybody, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome. My name is Vanessa and I've been gone for a really long time. If you guys watched my last video that I just posted recently, my Clean With Me, I explain in there how I'm in college, I'm taking a whole bunch of courses, it's my last semester and there's a whole bunch going on. So I'm sorry that I've been MIA for a little bit. I have stuff filmed for you guys, especially gluten-free stuff. I have a whole bunch of DIY stuff. I have like all kinds of things filmed. I just haven't done intros and I haven't had time to edit, but I promise that they are coming out for you guys. I apologize that it's taking so long, but they'll slowly be coming out, so stay tuned for a whole bunch of things that I have ready for you guys. Just my laziness needs to not take over. You guys clicked on this video because yes, you saw that I will be making gluten-free peppermint ice cream. We need to talk a little bit. So for Christmas this year, I feel like it didn't happen. Just me? I literally feel like we went through the entire year and like Halloween didn't happen and like Thanksgiving didn't happen and like Christmas didn't happen. And Christmas especially, which broke my heart because I am so big into Christmas, but like I just wasn't in the Christmas spirit this year. And every person I talked to said the same thing. So that was kind of unfortunate. But I love during Christmas time, this is a like Vanessa and her family's tradition. We've always done this. We love peppermint ice cream. I know that there's going to be people in the comments or watching this video who do not like peppermint anything of anything. Cream, basically, peppermint and cream or peppermint and chocolate, and I'm here to tell you that you're wrong. No, really. I still love you guys, but you are wrong. It's great. It's amazing. Mint and chocolate, spearmint and chocolate, peppermint ice cream, everything is freaking great. And I don't understand what you guys taste, but that's fine. You guys can have an argument in the comments. Like I said, you guys are just wrong in my opinion. But no, so pretty much this video is going to be for you peppermint ice cream lovers. If you guys have never had this ice cream, oh my God, you are missing out because it is so good. But this year, every single one that I picked up from the stores all had either wheat in it or it said that it shared a certain facility that had wheat in it. And I like to make sure that mine is completely gluten-free. So this is my first time making this. In the video or in the thumbnail, it does look a little melted. Now, I will be explaining that later on in the video, so stay tuned for all of that stuff. It was a learning process. And in this video, I'm also using my KitchenAid with the ice cream attachment. There are other ways out there to make ice cream. I'm not the best when it comes to other ways. I'm not even good with the KitchenAid, but it's close enough. So if you don't have a KitchenAid or you don't have the attachment with it, there are other ways. You guys can do it the exact same way as that. Just use my ingredients and just kind of mash the two together. But yeah, so if you guys would like to see how I make gluten-free peppermint ice cream, and yes, it's March, but it's fine. We're still gonna have peppermint ice cream because, like I said, Christmas didn't happen. But go ahead and keep on watching. So just like in every other video, if I talk too much or I do not put the measurements out there, I will try to get it either on the screen or down below. So make sure that you check out either one. They'll be somewhere. But that entire carton back there, yes, that is what I used of half and half. Now half and half, this is what I was trying to say in the intro. It comes out a little melty in the thumbnail because of the half and half. It comes out more like a soft serve. If you want it more like ice cream, go ahead and use heavy whipping cream. But I like it a little bit more soft servy, so that's why we used half and half. But if you want it more thick and, you know, the longer you freeze it and stuff as well, it will come out more ice cream texture, and that will be from heavy whipping cream. And then we also grabbed candy canes, and these are from Sam's. My husband wanted to show you his cool candy cane that was mostly red and not white. But yeah, we just grabbed them from Sam's and we just crushed them up. I recommend crushing them a little bit more. Now that's what happens when you use a food processor. So it didn't work out for us. And did we learn our lesson? Absolutely not. You'll see that we do it again. But we recommend the Ninja. If you have something stronger, a stronger blender, anything, do not use the food processor. Or if you do, just make sure that you don't mess up the way that we did because it got everywhere. And we did it twice. You'll see. Oh, and like I said before, make sure that the candy canes are gluten-free. Just make sure. But as you can see right here, it got all over the place again because we didn't learn our lesson. So we're gonna move to the Ninja now, and everything worked out great. Look at that smooth. We're just gonna forget that none of that even happened. But once we have all of that grinded up to where the candy canes are basically crushed up, we're gonna move that to the side. And then we're going to add to a separate bowl. I'm sorry for this part, the lighting was messing with me all night. I was doing multiple videos at once, so in every single video it's all messed up. I wanna say that we did about a full cup of sugar. I wanna say it was a full cup, but like I said, I will fix it all later. To the full cup of sugar, we added the mixture, so the half and half and the peppermint, or the the candy canes, that mixture. For some reason, I lost track. I've been wanting to say mint. Please do not mix up the two. We did peppermint extract and vanilla extract. Like I said, I will get the measurements for you guys. I'm hoping to get them on the screen. But peppermint extract, do not do mint. It will not taste the same. Peppermint, and we did vanilla. Peppermint, vanilla. Do not do mint. I keep wanting to say mint and I don't want to mess you guys up. But yes, and then to that we also added those extracts to this, and then we just mix as fast as we can until everything is well combined. We don't want there to be chunky pieces of sugar because there's no heat, there's no melting. Yes, in this recipe there is no eggs or anything like that. This is just plain old simple thing. Oh, I was going to say earlier, we will be using the attachment for the KitchenAid, the ice cream attachment. Make sure that you put that in the fridge, or the freezer, about 24 hours in advance. I know we hate that part, we hate having to prep stuff, but 24 hours in advance. If you do not have a KitchenAid, I don't know what to tell you. I don't know how to make ice cream without this attachment, but you guys will know better than I do. But this attachment right here, it is already frozen. That's why you see all the little crystallized things that we left in the freezer for actually a while. We put it in our deep freezer for a couple days before we started this. But we're gonna get it started on a low heat. Yes, low. Hello, heat? Not heat. Normal. It's normal speed, no heat involved in anything. I don't know why I just said that. I think I'm so used to it. But I'm gonna try to show this all real time and kind of how it goes through the process. We're supposed to do this for about an hour. So this is on low. Yes, I sped it up, but this is on low, and we're just gonna let it sit. So this is how it looked after about 20 minutes. And like I said, I'm gonna try to keep showing you guys clips, that way you can see kind of what I'm talking about more real time. I'm sorry if this part makes you dizzy, because as I was editing, I'm getting dizzy just like watching it. Even as I'm doing my voiceover, I have to like look off to the side, because if I just watch it, it just, dude, I feel like I'm on like a merry-go-round. This is about 45 minutes. And as you can see, it's starting to get this, you know, more of a creamy texture. The longer you go, the better. If you leave that thing in for an hour, or no, I'm sorry, not an hour, overnight, the colder it is. You can keep going and keep doing this. Like I said, it might look a little bit different with heavy whipping cream. I did half and half, and this is what it's looking like. So just remember, different creams, you're gonna have different results. I'm not sure how it would be if you used egg and all that other stuff, so it just depends. And I was trying to show you a sped up process, so yeah. But pretty much now we're going to the next part, which is this baby, and this is probably about an hour. This is how it looks, and oh, it was so good. This is when we added the peppermints as well. So we added the candy canes, and I try not to do it too late into the mixture, because I didn't want it to kind of like mess with the machine a little bit. And yeah, so we kind of added this to it, let it do its thing for about another 10 minutes or so, and then we right away pulled it off. So right here, this is where we start to get everything prepped and ready to go back into the freezer. Yes, I know, I'm sorry, we have to put it back into the freezer. I know we want this right now, but we have to put it back. So we have a bunch of these tin pans, because we make a whole bunch of bread and stuff like that. If you guys have missed my bread video, I'll link it down below. There'll be a whole gluten-free playlist. But pretty much what we're gonna do is we're gonna take this off, and then we're going to evenly distribute this throughout this tin pan. We use tin because we thought that it would freeze a lot better. And then we threw it in the deep freezer. So it's up to you guys on what you have and what you want to put it in. It was just easier for us. You can do normal containers. We just wanted it to freeze a little bit more. Like I said, if you use heavy whipping cream, it is going to come out a lot thicker. We left ours in overnight, but I did take a scoop out of it at 2 hours, and that's what you guys will see. So the longer you let it set, the firmer it becomes. But with half and half, it only goes so far because there is a lot of milk in it, not just cream. So if it's cream, you guys can probably wait about 2 hours, maybe 3, and just dive in. If not, 24 hours would definitely give you a better result. But see, we threw it in deep freeze, and this is what it looked like after 3 hours. So I did decide to just take a couple scoop out right here. So you see how soft it is? That's how soft servy it is. It still turned out really, really good. It still turned out with a pretty good texture. Like I said, I like soft serve ice cream, but if you guys want it thicker, just use heavy whipping cream. Same ingredients. And it does melt a little bit quicker, but I can't even talk right now. It does melt a little bit quicker, but it still tastes really, really good. And right here, I was trying to dress it up, which obviously I suck at doing. This is why my thumbnails, my food never looks freaking great or anything, but it was fantastic. I promise you that. You guys have to give it a try. This was delightful. I know it looks a little runny. It's fine. It's fine. It mixes all together anyways. You ever get soft serve and you just like mix it in the bowl, you let it melt a little bit? Yeah, that's what I did. And it was easy. But use heavy whipping cream if you want it thicker. But you guys have to give this a try. Merry Christmas in March. And that's it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you liked it, please give me a big thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe if you guys haven't already. But if not, that's fine. You're welcome back anytime. And yeah, that's gonna be it for this video. I have so much more coming out for you guys, and I hope that you stay tuned. I apologize for my absence. I'm coming back, I promise. We're working on it. We're working on it. We got shorts coming. We got all kinds of stuff coming. So, love you guys, and I'll see you soon. Bye, guys.